running take 16 na. Oh, very cold guys. So if you work here, if you need air condition, there is an air condition, brand new one. And if you need electric fan, there's also electric fan. And if you need fresh air, you can open one of the windows to the left side. No need to open now because we are using aircon. So the operator here guys is very lucky. Huh? He's a 180 views. Next video guys, we will test this crane. And this is just the controller here, left and right.
Kailangan yung paa dito.
So there's slowing, slowing right, slowing left, looping down, looping up, meaning going up, going down.
Yung boom na, yung boom. Ganun. Ito yung ano,
the other side,
yung hoisting. Lowering
lifting,
down, hoisting up, hoisting down.
Lifting up, lifting down, or lowering. And there's the angle guys, angle indicator.